Hey there, Mrs. Barker's math students. This is it. You have done the unthinkable and covered the entire Math 7 curriculum in just half of the school year. That is remarkable, and I know it's been a lot of work. You've done a lot of work. Your teacher's amazing, has moved you along, and now is the time for you to get to show to yourself, prove to yourself and to others how well you've mastered that 7th grade math curriculum. We are all rooting for you. Do your best, take it slow, use your scratch paper. It's a big thing in math class. So often we do a problem, we think, oh, I know the answer to this, and we don't really process it on paper, and I can't say it enough. Use that paper to work out your computations. We want to let you know that we're thinking about you, we are rooting for you, and we want to say, remain seated please, permaneceros sentados, por favor. Keep your arms, legs, and a little hole.
You should have found a stick of peppermint gum at your testing station. Please enjoy this refreshing treat as long as you are actively doing the tests or reviewing your questions and answers. Please make sure you keep your wrapper. When you are finished and have double-checked everything, you are ready to submit.
Your MGames personal training chart tracks your work on 4 important things: being on time, thoroughly using your scratch paper, completing and double-checking your answers, and bringing a book and reading quietly when finished. At the conclusion of today's session, your card will be stamped for as many of those categories as your proctor feels you completed today. For every stamp you earn, your name will be entered into the prize drawing at the end of the 4 weeks.
All cell phones must be kept in the cell phone pouch in the room and not in your pocket or backpack. If it is still with you, please make sure to put it in the pouch at this time.
Please remain seated during the test. If you need assistance, raise your hand and the proctor will come to you. Keep in mind, the proctor cannot help you solve, read, or explain any of the questions on your test. As always, use your scratch paper to figure out the answers or take notes on the test. Writing down your thinking will always help you do your best. Remember to use the dictionary, earbuds, calculator, and other tools given to you as well.
Make sure you do not submit your tests without your proctor standing next to you. When you're finished with your test and decide you are ready to submit, please raise your hand and the proctor will help you.
Your proctor will also remind you what your previous score was so you can beat your score for your own personal best.
Once you have finished, you will need to sit quietly and read a book. No other activities can be done at this time. You absolutely cannot disrupt other test takers in the room. For this reason, we recommend you take your time and don't rush through the test. There is nowhere else to go once you're done.